Hey, it's David here from Freedom Founders. Got a question on a forum this past week, and the question was is investing like rocket science? Meaning, I guess, complexity. Is it something you got to study and like get an MBA or PhD to really understand what you're doing? Well, I think it depends. The answer is it depends. It depends on what you expect, what outcome you're looking for in your investing. Where are you investing? What are you investing in? What's your timeline? What's your risk tolerance? Who are you investing for? Just yourself, for your family members, or are you somebody who's an advisor to other people? There's so many different constructs to answer that question across the board would be impossible. So let me give you my perspective on investing. And this is me. This may not be you. There may be a time when this could be you, but if it's not, no worries. My belief is that we start by investing in ourselves first. That's some kind of education. I don't necessarily mean formal education. I mean education about life and about business. Apprenticeship is a great way to learn. So again, formal education, you got to balance that with some real life education. Investing in yourself through the right people, I believe, is number one. Number two, you're going to be trading some time for dollars until you build up enough capital base that you can invest in something. We'll talk about what that something is in just a minute, but you've got to get some capital base. So yes, you're going to be doing some work, trading time for dollars at some level, somewhere to get that capital base. Now, how you choose to do that is up to you. I would do it differently today than I did when I was going through school, but that was some 30, 40 years ago when the traditional path was to go to school, get the highest grades possible to get into graduate school, college, professions, engineering, accounting, dentistry, whatever it might be. That was the pathway that people said or society said was about success and having freedom. Not so, not so. And here's why. Here's why. Because when your income is based on what you do, it's transactional. It means you got to go to work every day. You go to work, you provide product or service, you get paid. Great. Had a great day. Did $10,000 a day, whatever it is. Hey, that's awesome. But guess what? You got to get up and do it again the next day, and the next, and the next, and the next, and the next, and the next. When do you get off of that treadmill? See, that's where you have real freedom in life. See, piling up a lot of money, or even having the ability to pile up a lot of money, is one step. But as quickly as you can move that step to actually investing in, here's the key, real capital assets that will provide you income and inflation hedge growth at the same time, that's the trick. Now, see, most people default to what I call easy street, or what they think is easy street, which is Wall Street. Now, I'm not a Wall Street basher. If it's a place where you're going to start in life because you need to focus on investing in yourself and investing in putting money in a business, that's the number one place to put money, by the way, in a business, your practice, whatever that may be. That's number one, okay? But let's say you've got that working pretty well. You're extracting a good income. You're actually getting extra money out. Now you want to start investing outside to create multiple streams of income. Where do I go? I go to capital assets, real businesses or real estate. Now, the stock market can be a place to start when you're busy in life and you don't have time to learn and get a little bit more education. Hey, discipline's everything in life. But the real people who make real wealth in this country and have real freedom, they didn't do it in the stock market. I'm just saying, they didn't. Can you get to a point where you have some wealth in the stock market? Yes, but it's a long, long, long road, and it's mired with volatility, ups and downs, where you lose chunks of time, and you got to start, like, your money has to start over again. If you learn how to invest in good capital assets, I'm not saying you're going to have a perfect record. It's not a straight shot, but you got a lot more control. Now, with control comes the need for you to have some education. Not rocket science, however. It doesn't take rocket science. See, I learned many years ago to invest in other people, whether that's in my own business, people that help surround me so I can have a business that really is a real business, not dependent on everything that I do, or in the other investments I invest through other people because they have the operations. So it's more of a semi-active approach, but I had to have some knowledge to do it. Again, not rocket science, but I learned. So back to the question. Is investing compared with rocket science, is there equality there? Again, it depends. You don't have to have a lot of knowledge to do some very basic investing, saving money, getting disciplined. No, you don't. But if you want to climb the ladder and actually get leverage to where your capital, the hard-earned money that you traded time for dollars for, and get it working harder, yeah, you're going to need some knowledge. Not to a rocket science level, but you need knowledge. You can learn that as you go, as you go, as you go. You don't have to know everything to get started. You don't have to know everything in order to start making some headway and some traction. But seriously, you got to look at capital assets. It's the only way to true wealth and true freedom in life. Anything else is a little bit of a con game. All right, that's it for me today. Remember, always stay focused on your freedom. I'll see you next time.